Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. In this video, you'll learn how to make a homemade onion and lemon syrup for cold and flu symptoms. If you're looking for a recipe that cleanses your lungs, boosts your immunity, and soothes coughs, you need to know this recipe. There's a time of year when the temperature and humidity of the air fall a lot, and with that, many people suffer from respiratory illnesses like the flu and cold. To help you with that, we're going to show you a recipe that requires 2 ingredients that are talked about a lot here on the channel: onion and lemon. But first, we want to know how you usually treat flu symptoms at home. Do you prefer to take medications or natural remedies? Onion is antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and even has an expectorant effect. It helps to eliminate the mucus. Lemon contains antiseptic, antibiotic, and expectorant properties and is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens immunity and fights viruses and bacteria. And honey strengthens the immune system against viral infections and also has expectorant and anti-inflammatory effects. It's excellent for removing secretions from the respiratory tract and fighting asthma, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. How to prepare onion lemon syrup? You need the juice of 1 medium-sized onion, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Peel the onion, grate it, and strain it through a sieve to extract all the juice. If you like, you can grind the onion in a food processor and then strain it. Then add the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add the honey and mix well. If you have a cold, runny nose, or cough, you can take 3 tablespoons of it 3 times a day. If you want to prevent these diseases, strengthen your immunity, and clean your lungs, take only 1 tablespoon a day. So, did you learn anything new today? If you like these recipes, leave a comment. I love natural remedies. I wish you good health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.